going to be explaining a lesson called Nature's Paintbrush. And for this lesson, you are going to need paper, a couple leaves found from outside, including maybe some sticks or branches, and some paint. I have some orange paint here. You can use whatever color you want, or if you want to mix paints, that's also acceptable. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna open your paint and you're gonna put it on paper or paper plate. You're gonna just give it a little bit. All right, and then you're gonna grab your first leaf. Let's pick this one, or actually let's do this one first. And you're just going to take that paint, or take the leaf, and you're just gonna dip it in the paint. Okay, and then you're gonna come over here, and you're just gonna make little prints like this. And it's okay if it's not perfect, you just wanna sort of experiment with it. So you can do it that way. If you want to use the edge to paint, make strokes, you can do that. You can also, use the stem of the leaf to paint, to create lines. Okay. So I'm gonna grab another leaf. Let's try this one. So I'm gonna dip it in here in the paint. And let's just... Alright, we can try pressing this one on there. Let's try this guy. Using a variety of different leaves with different shapes and textures can give you what you want and just sort of allow you to experiment a little bit more. So these are a little bit lighter, a little bit thinner lines. Okay. Let's try this guy. I think this is a pine tree. Can't even. This is like a flower that hasn't bloomed quite yet. This is sort of resembles a paintbrush. Alright, and then if you want to, you can also experiment with sticks that you found outside, or other materials if you want to explore a little bit further. But yeah, so you're just going to use these materials and your paint to create a design or painting on your paper. Try to use the entire page, just so it fills everything up. And yeah, just have a fun experimenting and exploring and trying different things. And yeah, I hope you guys have fun.